When you have a Holo DIY kit, what can you use it for? Here are 3 features, and there's sure to be one you like. The first feature is that you can use Holo as a dynamic preview screen for 3D models with a naked, holographic effect, making your favorite models look cooler. The second feature is that you can use it to play MP4 videos. If the background of your video screen is pure black, the effect presented on Holo will be very good, as if it is suspended in the air. The third feature is that you can extend your own application. For example, you can expand a weather forecast application. And you can also expand a 2048 game. What else do you wish Holo could do? Please tell us in the comment section.